Today, Uyghur stir-fried braised fish. Today we are going to make delicious korma balık dömlemesi. For this recipe, I'm going to use Pike Perch from the local fish market in the Netherlands, because I used to eat freshwater fish because back home we don't have a sea in Uyghur hometown. That's why I choose this one too. I already cut off the head of the fish and just put it in tap water, let it boil for about 2 hours. In this way we get delicious fish head soup, and we are going to use that for the fish sauce. And about the fish, I divide them in the smaller pieces because it's quite big. Otherwise it doesn't fit in my pan. And I let it soak in the soy sauce for about 1 hour. Let it soak up all soy sauce. And about the fresh ingredients, I'm going to use red chili pepper, scallion and ginger. I'm going to slice them as thin as possible in long sections. About the scallion, slice them as thin as possible. You can smash it like this before you cut it and divide it in two in lengthwise, so it's easier to slice it. And make sure that you keep the white pieces separately because we are going to use them at the end. And the garlic, we are going to fine chop them. Mix all the ingredients for the sauce and keep a little bit of garlic, red chili pepper and scallion, white peas and green peas for later. Next, add sweet paprika powder and chili flakes, black rice vinegar, sugar, tiny bit salt. Be careful with salt, don't add too much salt. Heat up the oil over low-medium heat and use spatula for turning over the fish. Before you add the fish to the oil, remove all excess soy sauce. Otherwise, when you add the fish to the pan in the oil can spatter. It's a little bit dangerous. So be careful when you add the fish to the oil. We are going to brown the edges, all the sides. I'm going to turn them over and I just close the lid so it doesn't spatter. Be careful with the oil. I'm going to turn them over. It has beautiful golden edges. That's what we need. When the one side of the fish is brown, you can turn the fire a little bit down. They are beautiful golden brown. All the edges are beautiful brown. Now I'm going to take them out. Be careful and be gentle, otherwise they will fall apart. In the leftover oil, I'm going to add the mixture. Mix them well. It smells so good. Add the fish soup. Add soy sauce. You can add a little bit salt. It's up to your own taste, but be careful with salt. Don't put too much. Now put the fish back in the sauce. Move it to the smallest fire and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. It looks so good! I'm going to take them out and display them on the plate. Add the rest of the ingredients to the sauce. At the end, add soy sauce. It's done. Now I'm going to add the sauce on the top of the fish. You can garnish it with coriander and some sesame seeds. It's ready! Yay! I can't wait to combine this delicious fish with white rice. You can also combine it with naan or steamed buns or noodles. If you like this recipe, thumbs up, and don't forget to share the pictures on Facebook community or on Instagram so we all see your creation. Thank you again and see you next week. Bye!